PATTA, we exist in every corner of your life, including the world one can see or imagined. We construct every aspect of life. Grip forever. Our components, your key. Since our first rivet was manufactured in 1982, we at the PATTA Group have continuously improved on technology and the quality of our products, invested massive resources in product development, moving toward becoming a diversified company of manufacturing and sales. Today, PATTA has become an international brand with exceptional service and technology. We provide comprehensive fasteners and a wide range of hardware and services. Our products have reached over 120 countries and are sold around the world. What is the secret to PATTA's ability to earn the trust from our global clients? Thanks to PATTA's corporate spirit, we are able to establish close relationships with our customers and provide them with world-class professional products, technologies, and services. PATTA's competitive advantages come from our talent and shared ideas, which enable us to work as a dedicated team in fulfilling our commitments. Under the PATTA brand, we serve customers, provide 100% assistance to our working partners, and help our customers in new product development aimed at increasing their profits. In addition, we also design customized products for different markets. Our customization and localization services satisfy our customers' needs. We have positioned ourselves in Taiwan and China at an early date in order to establish production bases in the Greater China area, boost brand strength, and provide the best quality products to global markets. As a manufacturing and service company, PATTA is a good partner, providing one-stop shopping and comprehensive solutions. Throughout the years, we hold fast to the principle of 100% quality. We focus on details without compromising and earn customer satisfaction with our quality. At the same time, we continue to pursue profit maximization for our customers. The above factors are the reason why we've been able to win our customers' trust and become the leading brand in the industry. We not only provide immediate, speedy delivery and sell effective and durable products, but are also a safe, dependable, and highly efficient partner, able to satisfy the need for one-stop shopping in different industries. We continue to improve ourselves and enhance our strengths in order to better serve our customers around the world, realize innovation, and keep up with Industry 4.0 development trends. And as a result, we can provide even faster logistics service, meeting the need of global markets. With seamless service, we will certainly provide the most direct support to our customers and be their powerful backup. PATTA, customers' first choice. We work hard so you can have better possibilities. Grip forever. Our components, your key. PATTA.